When my great-grandfather came over, a Frenchman married an Italian, and here we are with Castellanos. We do Italian, but we also do American. We're known for our tomato sauce. We are. By the time people eat our sauce, it's been cooked 5 hours. Our spaghetti, our chicken parmesan, our eggplant parmesan. We got the hot muff. We got the hot muffalata. And by far, our most popular salad, I'll put it up against any salad anywhere, it's the tropical salad. For someone passing through, I think they can come here and get whatever they want, whether they want to blow it out with all fried foods and bread pudding with rum sauce for dessert, or do something more healthy. Everybody can come in here and eat something, even the kids.
When you come here, old-time Italian restaurant, they just doing it how they have always done it. And although there is a Louisiana flair and a twist to it, it's got good old school Italian flavor depending on what you order, you know? Honestly, I don't think I ate a bad meal here, ever.